I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using the right hardware, an original or MFI certified USB-C to Lightning cable and a 20-watt or stronger adapter. Once connected, close battery-heavy apps and consider turning on airplane mode or low power mode. This cuts background drain and speeds charging. Make sure the device sits flat on a cool surface and remove a thick case to prevent thermal throttling. Start charging immediately after these steps, so the battery management system can operate under optimal temperature. You now focus on controlling how the phone charges. Enable optimized battery charging in settings so the system delays topping to 100% until you need it, reducing chemical wear. Plug into a wall adapter rather than computer USB ports because they supply steadier current and avoid slow trickle. Keep an eye on temperature. If the phone becomes uncomfortably warm, unplug briefly or remove the case to let it cool, because high heat increases internal resistance and degrades lifespan faster. To finish, aim to unplug around 80 to 90% for regular days. Reserve a full 100% charge for when you need maximum runtime. Once done, occasionally perform a full charge cycle monthly to help percentage calibration. If things go wrong, troubleshoot simply. Try a different cable and adapter, clean the Lightning port, restart the phone, and make sure iOS is updated. These steps fix most charging faults. If problems persist, contact authorized service rather than using unknown repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.